Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is DIY time and we are making these cute and beautiful shirts for our dad in this Father's Day. So let's get started. So for this card you will need an A4 size paper, some colored pencils and sketch pens of your choice, and all the basic things like pencil, eraser, sharpener and a measuring scale. And that's all. Simple, right? Nothing fancy. So to make this card, take an A4 size paper and fold it in half and press it with your finger. Then open the paper and again fold it in half and press it with your finger. And same on the other side. Now fold the paper from the top just like this. Okay, this is just the outline, we are not going to fold this. So from the front side it should look like this, and from the back side it should look like this. And remember, we are not going to fold this. Now let's make the collar of the shirt. Now fold the paper as shown in the video and same on the other side. To make the sleeves of the shirt, we need to fold the paper just like this. But what I found useful that mark at 8 cm, then join the lines from the corners and then fold it. Okay, the shirt is now almost ready. So this should be the color of the shirt and this should be the sleeves. Now it's really very simple. Just fold the paper just like this and press it with your finger. And it's done. Wow, this looks so pretty and cute. And what I like about this card is that it's really very simple and easy to make, right? Now let's just decorate this card a little more. I am using red color here, but if you want you can use any color of your choice. Now inside this card I am just writing a message for my dad. It should be I love you dad, or you are my hero dad, or whatever you want to write for your dad, just write it here. It's just a secret and cute message for our dad. Now I am just decorating it with some more heart shapes. I am using a pink sketch pen here. Again, you can use any color of your choice.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
Now the card is almost done. Give this to your dad in this Father's Day and your dad will be super happy with you.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a
If you want to make these cute little ones, just cut the paper into half and repeat the exact same process. So if you want to create this beautiful card, click on the video on right side, and if you want to see more Father's Day drawing ideas, check out the playlist on left side. Thank you so much for watching.